everyone, I'm Ellen Canner. I'm the Edgy Veggie. I am author of the award-winning book Feeding the Hungry Ghost, Life, Faith, and What to Eat for Dinner. And thank you guys for watching my videos and for your feedback. I got some good comments last time, not about the carrot salad, which is really good by the way, but about the mindfulness thing. I know it's really tough right now, but it's real important to show up. When you don't have to wear a suit, but honey, wear underwear. So why show up? I know we've all had it up to here. Well, people who love you, flowers, they're awfully nice. Wine, chocolate. Yes, chocolate. The flavor that says everything's gonna be okay. So we're gonna make chocolate cake today. And because it's me and I like to be the value add, we're adding a beet. Beets add moistness, they add a little body, and not a lot of fat. It's beautiful. You will not taste the beet in this cake, you will taste chocolate, but you will get all the beet benefits. Lots of antioxidants, it's gonna be fantastic. So I have my cooked and cooled beet here. I'm gonna throw it in the food processor. We're doing the whole thing in one bowl, one go. First you bash your beet. Now we add a little bit of neutral oil, not a lot. Oh, and this is the part I think is fun. This is baking soda, which I am adding to the almond milk. And now I am adding a little vinegar. You could really just throw all this in the bowl and it would be fine, but I always like to watch it fizz. Makes me feel like a mad scientist. Goes. Oh, in the meantime, I'm going to add coffee. And we got some good fomage here, so that goes in. I know this is a very strange looking cake. It will get better. Here we go again. So when it looks like strawberry milkshake, you're actually in a very good place. Now we add the flour. And the cacao. I'm just going to pulse this. So the strawberry milkshake effect is gone, and we have give it one more go. And we're done. I'm going to pour it into a cake pan. So you see it's all gorgeous and glossy, and I am pouring it into a lightly greased cake pan. And what we're going to do is bung it in the oven for 350 degrees for about half an hour until it smells so incredibly chocolatey you will not believe it, and springs back very lightly. So the batter's in the pan, all glossy and gorgeous and very fragrant. So come take a look. Too bad you can't smell it, but at least you can see it. So that's how it goes in, and it comes out looking like this. Okay, I let it cool and I put it on a cake plate, but it looks like this and it smells so good, and I wish you could taste it, but I'm going to. Frost it any way you like. I actually just like it with a little powdered sugar. Pretty. I wanted you to see what it looks like. It's high, it's moist, it's beautiful with a lovely crumb, which is all very nice, but really we care about how it tastes, right? Damn, that's so good. If we give up, the bottom feeders win. So don't give up, show up. Show up for chocolate. Till next time, thank you so much everybody. Be well. Each chocolate's got some antioxidants. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye.